Welcome to yoga. Today we're going to go over bow pose. So bow pose is a very deep back bend. It helps to strengthen the back, give you a nice flat belly, open the chest and the shoulders, give you an overall sense of well-being, as well as cleanse the kidneys and help you to increase the lung capacity. By opening everything up, we get a nice deep breath into the lower belly, nourishing those organs. So we want to start by warming up the spine. So before you go into bow pose, a very deep back bend, you want to do a few cat-cow stretches. And also maybe locust pose, bridge pose, or any other postures that help to open the spine and the chest and shoulders before going into bow pose. So we're going to go ahead and come right onto our bellies. So lowering onto the belly, go ahead and lower the forehead down. You want to start by bending each knee and reaching the hand back for the outside of the ankle. Now if you can't reach the feet, you can go ahead, or the ankle, you can go ahead and use a strap or a towel. You want to empty out the breath. And then on the inhale, press into the hands, lift your chest. Bring the knees close together, stay on that lower belly and breathe. Press those feet into the hands to create a lift. And if you're breathing correctly into that lower belly, you'll feel a gentle rocking motion. And release. Go ahead and counter the stretch, coming back into a child's pose. Child's pose also helps to lower your heart rate. So anytime you practice bow pose, you're going to notice a lot of heat come over the body, which is really great. It helps to warm you up and burn calories. So we're going to come into it one more time. So lowering back down onto the belly. Again, you can always reach back with a strap or a towel if you can't reach those feet. This time we're going to grab the tops of the feet, keeping those knees close together. Lower the forehead down and empty out the breath. And then inhale, lift.